What is our conclusion? What happened to the leaf when we put it in the water? It floated. Okay, what happened to the rocks when we put them in the water?
It sinks.
They sink. Did they dissolve or melt?
No.
No. Did the leaf?
No.
No. What happened when we put the sugar in the water?
It dissolved.
It dissolved. What does dissolve mean?
Dissolve means disappear.
It kind of disappeared. Did it mix in?
Yes.
Or did it just poof in the air?
Can I touch the sand?
Did it mix in or did it just poof in the air?
Mix in.
It mixed in. Okay, what happened with the salt when we put the salt? Oh, sorry, this one was the sugar. This is the salt. What happened when we put the salt in there?
It loosened.
Dissolved?
Dissolved.
It dissolved. What does dissolve mean, Joe?
Disappear.
It disappeared. It mixed in. What about the oil? What did the oil do?
Float.
It floated. Were you able to mix the oil in?
No.
No, it didn't mix in. It sat at the top, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what happened when we put the sand in the water? Is it soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Insoluble. How do you know that?
Because it did not float.
It did not float. Did it dissolve or mix in?
No.
No, it did not. So it is insoluble. So we have two that are soluble and we have two that are insoluble.